My girl loves playing with the spoon, sometimes either stacking it or feeding her favorite animals. But as soon as I bought Play-Doh, this activity has apparently become her favorite. Hey guys, myself Priya'z and today I'm going to share with you this colorful spoon Play-Doh activity. So, these are some of the spoons which I have been collecting since I started feeding her CERELAC at the age of around 6 to 7 months. All you need is to color the spoons according to the Play-Doh you have. Now, take a dough, roll it gently to get a fine texture, break it into pieces, rub in between your hands to get a small balls. Now, flatten them, pierce it through the center and give a shape like beads. And here is the outcome. These colorful rings are so cute that it kept me amazed. Actually, I went on doing it for the first time and it came out gorgeously. Now, stack all the spoons together on top of the other and make a desired pattern of your choice. Here, I have angled it and given a shape of the ladder. How cool it is! This activity will not only enhance the color sorting ability but a great tactile way to develop her fine motor skills as well as hands and eye coordinations. Isn't it unique and affordable? This simple and budget-friendly DIY will surely engage your kids for long. If you're watching this video for the first time, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all our weekly video notifications. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye-bye.